Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Procus One virtual reality headset for smartphones. Now this is the top side of the packaging where we see the branding as well as some imagery. We'll flip to the right hand side and we can see some features being highlighted. First being that the lenses are built using HD resin. They are aspherical with a diameter of 40 millimeters. The field of view of the lenses is 90 to 100 degrees. Interpupillary distance is adjustable up to 60 to 70 millimeters. That is the distance between your pupils, the pupils of your eye. Focal length is fixed, but they've given a range that is 37.5 to 46.5 millimeters. This is compatible with all smartphones, that is iOS, Android, and Windows phones, from 4.7 inches to 6 inches. This is also suitable for people who are wearing glasses. The plastic used to make this is ABS, and lastly, the dimensions are given. This is 292 grams in weight, and the dimensions are 185 by 136 by 100 millimeters. On the other side, we have a simple quick start guide. It states that you should open your VR app, insert your smartphone into the device, adjust the distance, and enjoy your VR experience. On the back side of the packaging, we get to see what the VR headset looks like. And at the bottom, we have package contents, minimal requirements again, pricing, and manufacturer's contact information. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first is a little note asking you, or rather advising you, that you can download a free VR game. All you need to do is go to the registration website and enter your purchased information, after which you'll be given a link to download the free VR game. Then you have the Procus One user guide. Always read through the user guide to understand exactly what all features the device has and how you can go about using it. Then you have the small microfiber cleaning cloth. This is for the lenses on the inside. And lastly, you have the headset. This is what it looks like. It's glossy on the front with some branding. There's an opening. This is where you would place your smartphone. That is on the inside. On the inside, you can see stickers on top of the lenses. You should remove these before using the device. And you've got adjustments. So you can adjust the interpupillary distance, the IPD. And then you can also change the distance of the lens with respect to your eyeballs. So you can bring it closer or further away. Then you have the headband, which is adjustable. You have little clips on either side to increase the band length. And there is a top clip, which is also adjustable. And once you do adjust it, you can slip it back into the headset. So you are secured on all three directions. So that was the unboxing of the Procus One virtual reality headset. Thank you for watching.